Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be talking about a technique called device code phishing, which is a common technique used by red teamers and attackers alike to compromise accounts and gain initial access into Azure tenants. Now, firstly, this is Postman, which is going to be the attacker setup, and the second tab that you see over the second section is also an attacker tenant. The third one, which is a tab split between both of them, is the victim. So firstly, I'm going to create an app called malicious app. Now, now let's get to the fish. I'm going to copy this and paste the client ID here, send a request, and this should automatically give me, oh my bad, this should give me the device code. So this device code is what we'll be using in the next step, but for now we'll be using this particular code. So essentially what we're considering here is that the attacker has convinced the user to go ahead and go to microsoft.com/device login and then enter this code and authenticate themselves. So it's saying, are you trying to log in into a malicious app? So the user is going to click on yes. And once this is done, we will quickly close to claim some real estate on the screen. So let's just go and copy the device code. That is what we've received. And when we sort of replace this device code and send a request, okay, again, yeah, so we get the access token and the refresh token. So we will use this access token here in this particular request to graph.microsoft.com, and you can see that the request is successful. Now essentially what just happened is I created a malicious app in my tenant, and I used device code flow to trick the user to get access to their data, and this is going to be persistent until the time either conditional access policy or the access token gets expired, and I've not renewed it with the refresh token, or the access token and the basically all the active tokens are sort of revoked, or there is a conditional access policy which is going to kick in to stop the user from kick in the user data from being accessed.